You who believe you know the purpose of your existence, we invite you to awaken. Welcome to Universal Knowledge QS. Conference A03 Astral Displacement. Why is it called astral projection? Splitting because it means taking out the inner double or soul, a body exactly the same as the physical one, but of a molecular nature. And astral because with it we can travel to all the stars. This operation is done unconsciously every time we fall asleep. We enter the molecular world or region of dreams. The only difference is that you live consciously instead of asleep. That is, you enter the fifth dimension consciously and voluntarily. How is the practice done? There are many ways to do this, so we will list just a few. 1. By concentration. 2. With imagination. 3. Sleep vigil. 4. Dying from moment to moment. 5. By mantranization. In any case, the most important thing is to want to do it and then dare to do it. Where there's a will, there's a way. For the practice by mantranization, we recommend the following steps. 1. Make the protection of the belly lean and the magic circle. 2. Request assistance from the particular divine father and mother and set a goal. 3. Relax the physical and mental body. 4. Mantralize one of the following mantras. A. Mantram Pharaoh. B. Mantram Laras. C. Mantra of the letter O. D. Mantra Om. E. Mantra of the letter R. 5. Periodically check if we are already stretched by getting up and jumping to see if we float or pulling on a finger to see if it stretches. Symptoms of splitting? You may feel your body swelling. You can feel like you are floating. You can feel the body rocking gently. You may feel your legs or arms lifting and floating. A slight electric shock may be felt. You can feel that we are spinning at high speed. You may feel a noise next to your ears. You may appear consciously inside a dream. The secret is to practice with a lot of patience until you achieve it. Remember that where there's a will, there's a way. To start the free course or watch the next conference, visit us at qsuniversalknowledge.com and follow us on our social media. See you soon.